If you are saying about citizenship, you can also say about your rights and duties. Citizenship, in citizenship lesson we learn, no? Rights and duties, Rabia. Okay.
Yes.
So you can do such type of creativity, something different from all. Okay. Okay, chalo. Now, shall I start my lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in this, today we are going to start new lesson. Okay. That is India. Okay. And of India, the earth surface, the climate, vegetation, and wildlife. What we are going to learn? The earth surface, the climate, and the vegetation, and the fourth part, it is the wildlife. This lesson is divided into four parts. Okay. First is earth surface, second is climate, third is vegetation, and the fourth is wildlife. Okay. This is a very interesting chapter, and we all are going to enjoy this because we are going to learn the location of India, the diversities, the area, and everything in this lesson. Okay. Because see, India is a very vast country. We all know that by geographical area, right? So in this we will study about the earth surface. Okay. Then we will also see the climate and vegetation and wildlife of our country, India. Okay, a lengthy lesson, lots of things to learn, new things. Okay, okay, chalo. Rabia, can you read this?
Chapter number 13. India. Earth surface, climate, vegetation, and wildlife. India is a country of vast geographical area. At the same time, it has geographical diversity. This diversity amazes us. The high peaks of Himalayan mountain range in the north are. Ma'am, your screen is getting blurred.
Okay, now, now it's fine. Actually, I made the PDF, but it is not getting open. I don't know why. So I'll after this class, I'll have to go to the mobile technician. Yes, can you see now better?
Mm, yes, ma'am.
I have also made a PPT and PDF, but it is not getting open. Yes,
Okay, ma'am. In the north are snow covered throughout the
throughout
year.
the year. Yes,
The Bay of Bengal is in the east, Arabian Sea is in the west, and Indian Ocean is in the south of India.
yes. Continue, continue.
The area of India is 32.8 lakh square kilometer. It is estimated to be 3,214 kilometer from Kashmir in the north to Kanyakumari in the south, and it extends 2,933 kilometer from Arunachal Pradesh in the east to Kutch in Gujarat in the west. Different landforms such as long sea coast, high mountains ranges, river plains, the plateaus, and the islands away from the shore are seen here. The diversity of cultures and languages, along with the climate and flora, attract us. Diversity is seen in our customs and traditions also. This diversity and the feeling of one country give us a unique identity.
Yes, very good. Chalo. Now, we all know that India is a very vast country in geographical area. Yes or no, Insha? It is a very vast country or not? Girls, can you listen me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And the vastness, the area is, you can imagine, 32 lakhs, 32.8 lakh square kilometers. This is the estimated area, and it is the estimated that India extends from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, and the length is 3,214 kilometers. Okay, and from east Arunachal Pradesh, the capital Itanagar. Okay, from Arunachal Pradesh in the east to Kutch in Gujarat west, है ना? The length is 2,933 kilometers long. How much it is? What is the total area of India? Girls, total area of India? Yes.
8 lakh square kilometer.
No. Total area of India? Total area of India is? Beta, you can see on your screen also. Why no one is replying?
32.8 lakh square kilometer.
Yes, 32.8 lakh square kilometers means it is a very vast country, right? From north to south length is what, beta? What is the extension of India? Estimated extension
3,214 kilometers.
from,
North to south.
yes, you always remember and always speak the state name also, okay? Kashmir to Kanyakumari in the south, okay? And 2,900 from Arunachal Pradesh in the east to Kutch in Gujarat. Okay. Now, beta, in this vast area, there is vast geographical diversities. Yes, this diversities amazes us. Yes, the high peaks of Himalayan mountain ranges in the north are snow covered throughout the year. The Bay of Bengal in the east and the Arabian Sea in the west and the Indian Ocean lies to the south of India. Not only that, beta, the area of India is 32.8 lakh square kilometers and it is estimated to be 33,214 kilometers from Kashmir in the north and Kashmir in the north and in the south Kanyakumari, and it extends from 2,933 kilometers from east Arunachal Pradesh and to the west it is Gujarat, Kutch. Okay, so different landforms such as long sea coast, high mountain ranges, river plains, the plateaus, and the islands away from the seashore are seen here. The diversity of cultures and languages, along with the climate and flora and fauna. Flora is the vegetation and fauna is the animal life. Okay, that attracts us. Yes, diversity is seen in our customs, traditions also. This diversity and the feeling of one country gives us unique identity. Yes, this diversity in the region, we see diversity in religion, we see diversity in culture, we see diversity in languages. Yes or no? All these type of diversities are seen everywhere among us. Yes. So this is a unique identity of India. Yes. Understood the introduction, Insha, Modesa, Rabia, Ilma, all those who are present?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
revise this, Insha, for us? Insha, can you revise this paragraph
Yes, ma'am. The area of India in
from first, beta?
32.8 lakh.
From first.
Okay, ma'am. India is a country of. Ma'am, it's blur.
Yeah, I understand, beta, but in the presentation it is worst. See, I'll show you in presentation. It's not good at all. See, can you see in presentation?
No, ma'am.
So that's why I have made both the things, but it didn't work properly today. Every time it works, right? Today it's not supporting my phone is not supporting that. I don't know why. I'll see to that after
India is
I finish class.
a country of vast. India is a country of vast geographical area. At the same time, it has geographical diversity. This diversity amazes us. The high peaks of Himalaya mountain range in the north are or snow covered throughout the year. The Bay of Bengal is the eastern region, the west, and India Ocean lies in the south of India. The area India is 32
Area
point
of India.
the area of India is 32.8 lakh square kilometer. It is estimated to be 3214 kilometer from
3214.
3214 kilometer from Kashmir in the north, the Kanyakumari
Kanyakumari.
in the south, and it extends 2,933 km from Arunachal in the east to Kutch in Gujarat in the west. Different landforms such as long sea coast, high mountain ranges, river plains, the plateaus, and the islands away from the shore and sea here
Are
and
seen here.
sea are seen. The diversity of culture and language along with the climate and flora vegetation attract us. Diversity is seen in our customs and traditions also. This diversity and the feeling of one country give us a unique identity.
Identity. Okay. Unique identity. Understood till here, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, any doubt? So now we will see physical divisions of India. Okay. The physical divisions of India is very vast. Physical એટલે શું? જે land area હોય ને એને physical division કહેવાય. Okay. Suppose, for example, mountain ranges, Himalayas ranges, and all these are physical ranges. Desert area. Okay. All these are what? They are physical divisions. Okay. Yes, Rabia, can you read this? Rabia, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rabia, read better. You have textbook, Rabia?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Then read from that only.
A physical division of India. Physical divisions are made on the basis of Earth's surface. The Himalaya mountain is mostly
Situated.
situated in the north to guard our boundary. Its paralleled its parallel north-south mountain range is divided into three parts. The Greater Himalaya or Himadri mountain range is located in the extreme north. The highest mountain peak of the world, Mount Everest, lies here. To the south of it lies the Central Himalayas or the Himachal mountain range, where many tourist spots and places of pilgrimage are there. To the south of it lies mountain range known as Shivalik or Outer Himalayas.
Hmm.
To the
So
south
all, yes, continue.
to the south of Himalaya lies Ganga, Satluj, Yamuna,
Brahmaputra.
Brahmaputra,
Brahmaputra.
Brahmaputra, Brahmaputra and vast fertile plains made up of alluvial deposited by the rivers and their tributaries. The flat plains made up by the rivers are very fertile. High density, high density of population is seen over there due to more agricultural production. To the west, to the west India lies Great Thar
Thar Desert.
Desert. Thar Desert. It experiences more heat and less rainfall. Sometimes It does not rain for 3-4 years continuously. Very less vegetation is seen in this area.
Okay. So coming back to the physical divisions. Okay. Physical divisions are made on the basis of earth surface, as I said you, right? So earth surface એટલે કેવું surface? The land surface. Okay. The Himalayas mountain is mostly situated in the north to guard our boundary. Himalayan mountains ક્યાં છે બેટા? Himalayan mountains ક્યાં છે? આપણી બાઉન્ડ્રીમાં છે. ક્યાં છે? Our boundary. Okay. So it guards our which area? Boundary area, right? And it is parallel. Where it is beta? And it is parallel. Where it is beta? Parallel to what? To the north south mountain range. Okay, which is divided into three parts. Okay, into three parts: the greater Himalayas, or you can say it as Himadri mountain range also, which is into the in the extreme of north. The highest mountain peak of the world, Mount Everest, lies here. To the south of it lies Central Himalayas or Himachal mountain ranges, where many tourist spots and places of pilgrimages are there. Pilgrimages are there. And beta, to the south of it lies mountain range known as Shivalik or other mountain or other Himalayas. Now, Himalayas. After seeing Himalayas, we'll see about the rivers. To the south of Himalayas lies Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, and vast fertile plains made of alluvial deposited by the rivers and their tributaries. The flat plains. Okay, beta. The flat plains which are made up by the rivers are very fertile. How are they, beta? They are
Very fertile.
yes, they are very fertile.
Fertile.
Okay, and beta. Apart from that, yes, they because they are very fertile. Lot of agriculture work also goes there, right? And yes, you can listen me now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So the flat plains made up of the rivers are very fertile. So high density of population is seen over there due to more agriculture production. Now, as there is more agriculture production, beta, in these fertile plains near the sea coast, right? Because of the fertile plains, so there is more population. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
And to the west of India lies the Great Thar Desert. It experiences more heat and less rainfall. What does it experience, beta?
More heat and less rainfall.
Sometimes it does not rain for 3-4 years continuously. How many years it does not rain? Sometimes more than
32 years.
3 to 4 years. 32 nahi, 3 to 4 years continuously. कंटिन्यूसली वहां पे 3-4 साल तक बारिश भी नहीं आती, राइट? And sorry, very less vegetation is seen in this area because there is less rainfall, so less vegetation is seen. Yes, so that is why the population is also very less in that area. Yes, yes, Rabia, read.
Yes, ma'am. To the south of northern plains, there is an inverted triangular plateau of